Hi, this is Pierre, co-founder of CoveredCI. So CoveredCI is a continuous integration tool that tests your web APIs with QuickCheck, a framework for expressing properties about programs and testing them with randomly generated values. So once your APIs are documented, our smart testing engine finds the bugs and saves you time. So we're going to add CoveredCI to our project. First, let's sign up through GitHub and activate our project on CoveredCI. This means that every Git push will trigger a CI build. We now have to add a YAML file to our repository to describe the different endpoints we want to test and a path to our Swagger file, also how to build and start our web service. So let's open a pull request with this file and see how our CI build goes. So our build is now running and we see this in our open source iOS app. Then we have this editor for documentation. On the left you have the Swagger documentation. On the right you have inputs and outputs for each endpoint, which types they take and which type they give out. CoveredCI generated some tests and already found some failures. So let's see what failed here. We have a few tests, 8 of them were run. On the 5th one it found an issue, and after that it tried to reproduce the test with minimal amount of HTTP requests. What happened here is that if we push a certain key, the server will return an integer instead of a string, and so we can just fix that, push a commit. We now have new results. The engine gets smarter and smarter the more tests it runs, so you can see them getting more complex here, with more requests being made and more complex payloads sent. About 100 tests passed here. So we're going to merge that pull request and we're done with setting up CoveredCI for this project. We also have an open source browser extension that overlays coverage information on GitHub, so you can quickly know which parts of your code are tested. And for security reasons, it's always great to bring your dependencies up to date, so we can do that for you too. Thank you.